Drugs are chemicals that affect the body and the brain. Drugs is not a friend. It's actually an enemy. It will destroy your dreams. It will change into someone you would never want to. Before tasting it, think about this first. Do you think drugs can solve your problem? About your family, have you ever thought of them? About your life. Would you take the risk even it affect everyone and everything? Please. 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 Stop illegal drugs.
Iwasan mo ang droga, huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo at sa huli ang bayan.